Jaleesa Smith here with JaleesaSmithCoaching.com. So today I'm gonna cook for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook the best air fried chicken wings ever. Okay. So, no, that's not how you cook the best ones. I make many variations of these. Today is Wing Wednesday. If you see our, you can't see this, but we have a menu here. And it's Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, Wing Wednesdays, Spaghetti Thursdays, and Fast Food Friday, which is like Chipotle Friday. But anyway, I just got home from work and I'm going to cook our chicken wings. So we're gonna start off with, Savannah, do you mind? 2 packages of this chicken wings, and you only have to use 1, but I'm using 2 because we like to eat them and they go really fast here between the 3 of us. Yes, the 3 of us. Savannah, she's not even 2 years old yet and she freaking loves these chicken wings, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm pouring some vinegar, like distilled vinegar. Some people might use apple cider vinegar, whatever is your preference, whatever floats your boat, you know, whatever moves the ocean, whatever. So I got some regular schmegular tap water in there and some white distilled vinegar because, okay, my Instagram people's told me that I need to start cleaning my chicken. And so for the past few months, I've been cleaning all my chicken, okay? Don't judge me, judge your mama. I was just taking them out the package and just dumping them and seasoning them before. But I admit, while I'm not sure what's cleaning the chicken or whatever, it's a very controversial topic. Actually, in the comments below, let me know if you always clean your chicken beforehand. I just want to know. I'm just curious because I didn't do it, and I was taught from other people that, you know, it's the same. It's all being boiled or not boiled, you know, like baked or the germs or whatever. They can't survive at these high temperatures. Oh, whatever, right? If you're one to clean your chicken, let me know. If you're not, it's cool. It's all love here, right? Nobody's here to judge. You need some of these because I don't like touching chicken. I'm a meat eater, but I don't like touching meat, okay? No.
You're a meat eater?
Yes. You're so annoying. You were trying to record this video and he's also playing 2K, so I hope you can't hear it. What I typically do on Wednesdays, I usually always make sure I cook us at least dinner so we can at least eat dinner together, the 3 of us. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put these little chicken wings up in here and I will show you how to do it. In here we have about a little over 3 pounds of chicken between those 2 packages. So I'm gonna let them sit in the vinegar and the water for maybe like 15-20 minutes. It's already kind of late tonight. It's like 7:30 already, so I'm not trying to you know, have these in here forever. Then I need to run to the store and get some olive oil because we do not have any. Mama, you wanna come? You wanna come to the store, Mama? She just loves my dresses. Okay, I guess she can stay here. Okay, baby, it's the chicken. Relax. Next, what you're gonna do is obviously, I'm trying to pour everything straight into the drain, but of course stuff is gonna splash. So obviously disinfect your sink after you're done. Wash your sink out, that's an obvious. One of the arguments of people not washing their chicken was because they didn't want to like spread the germs and stuff like that. But I mean, you can look at it either way. Glass half full, glass half empty. I'm just saying. Do what you want to do with your chicken. How bad I don't want to touch the chicken. Babe, why are you taking your pants off? Girl. Okay, so now the hard part is done. This is how my chicken looks like. All I'm gonna do is season it up. I'm gonna put some sea salt. You can put whatever kind of sea salt that you want. It's your choice. I know people came for me from how I season my food in the last video that I made like 4 years ago about how to cook salmon healthy and easy. I'll link it if you haven't seen it already. But it's, for some reason, it's my highest viewed video and it was so basic and simple. But people came for me for how much I season my food, but like, we like good food, and if you put sea salt, like, you don't have to put so much, you know, to make it flavorful, but salt is like, salt brings out the flavor in things. Oh, and I should always tell you what I'm using. So I'm using this garlic powder. Honestly, what, like 3 staples I have to have in my pantry are gonna be the sea salt, are gonna be the garlic powder, are gonna be sea salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. But I'm not gonna use black pepper for these because I don't want to. Hey, oh, okay. She wants a juicy. Hey, where's the straw? Thank you. You gave me the straw. Yeah. This is also why I want to touch chicken, because I had to touch stuff, you know, like touch my baby, like, you know, do stuff for her. So I'm gonna have to wash my hands 1,500,000 times. I'm also going to use some Old Bay today. I don't use too much, just a few sprinkles to, like, you know, get over the chicken and get the flavor going. But we like Old Bay. I do live in Maryland, originally from Jersey, okay, but I do live in Maryland now. There's a lot of Old Bay use going on out here. This is what my chicken's looking like right now, and once again, I'm still not touching it. You can touch it if you want to. My chicken gets seasoned pretty well without me touching it. Honestly, I just had a thing, y'all. I just got a thing. So then you move it around and then pour some more seasoning to make sure you're covering all the seasoning. What you got, baby? And let me tell you guys, you have the option. You can use the olive oil. You can use the olive oil beforehand or afterhand. Honestly, for me, my chicken sticks pretty well either way. I'm not a chef, I'm not pretending to be one. I'm just telling you how I cook this chicken really quickly after a long work day and a long commute. How I come home and cook this chicken from my family, okay? I'm just sharing it with you so you can have a really, really great recipe to make for yourselves. This is garlic powder, y'all. Hey, why are you making a mess, girl? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you making a mess? Look at you, you got juice all over the place, girl. What's up with that? Oh, girl, hold on, I'm recording a video, girl. Hold on, you just had a juice. You can't have two in a row. Give me this. No. That does not mean you're gonna get a juice. Yeah. Okay, now, this is the absolute easiest part. This is our air fryer. It's nothing special. We got it from Target. Not gonna say the brand because I'm not super in love with it. It's like our second air fryer, but I like it. It gets the job done for the most part. I'm just not super in love with it, so I'm not gonna, like, you know, advocate for the brand. But we can find a better one on Amazon or wherever, you know, Amazon, they have some at Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, Walmart, wherever. If you guys have a really, really great air fryer that you recommend, leave it in the comments below so you can help other people find a great air fryer. But one thing that is to know, I'm over here cleaning up a mess at the same time. One thing that is to know is that I recommend an XL air fryer, like a large one with a large basket, so you can fit a lot of food, especially if you have a family, you're not just cooking for yourself. Girl, if that was yesterday. Today is Wing Wednesday. You hungry? I'm gonna give you a snack after I get these in, okay? Yes, I'm gonna give you a snack. Now, the air fryer looks like this. So I do just one layer because it cooks it more evenly and I think it cooks it faster. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys in. I'm gonna turn the air fryer on. I usually turn it on to about 370 for 25 minutes. And then what I usually do is, you'll see I put it on for 400 for about 5 more minutes and get it really, really nice and crispy. So these are like the perfect, delicious, healthy air fryer naked wings. I gotta say naked because I know some of y'all like sauce and we really do sauce over here. What you want some applesauce? You want some applesauce? Your applesauce, okay? You eat some applesauce? You're so excited for this applesauce, right? There, you got it. You gonna do it?
Oh, great. No, you gotta skip part.
Okay, I should have get you a bib. You're doing so good. But you really need a bib. Oh. That was fast. Good girl. No more. No. You don't get to touch this. Do you like your little pre-dinner applesauce? Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this girl. Look at this. It's so close. But it's so close to bath time. You're just like, whatever. See? She's right here. Usual. Oh. There you go. Oh. And yeah, it's microwave vegetables tonight, y'all. I ain't got it. I took them out the package and I put them in a little, listen, I wanted to make Brussels sprouts, but it's just a lot going on tonight. I got home later than expected from work, and yeah, then we had to go to the store. She's hungry, clearly, and sleepy, so I gotta feed my baby soon. And my other baby over here. Mama, you had a long day. Did you have the longest day of us all? Did you just have the longest day? Oh, you don't. Did you just have the longest day? Whoa. 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 What? That up. You took it out. Pick it up. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, baby. You gonna help mommy? You're walking the wrong way. Okay. All right. Well, okay, guys. So these are done. Yay! Don't they look so yummy? Don't they look so yummy? All right. I'm gonna make the second batch. Well, I'm gonna plate this for us. I'm gonna make the second batch, and that's it. You see, it just took about 30 minutes to get them crispy how I like them, without any breading, without any egg, without that's about it I can think of, because we definitely used oil, but I didn't have to use the oil. Keep that in mind. I chose to use the oil because I like that. I'm also not dieting, so you know, if you're dieting, then don't use the oil, but these are gonna taste so bomb. So look at that, y'all. That's your happy dance. This is the finished product. I call this spees. This is spees. It's a mix of spinach and peas. You get it? So then we got the paper plates. Paper plate gourmet over here. That's how we do. Mom was over there. She already started without us. And Darren will feed her some of his chicken wings. And yeah, you can add sauce if you want to too.
What's sauce?
No, I'm good. So, I hope you enjoyed this amazing tutorial of how to cook these healthy, delicious, crispy to perfection, seasoned to perfection, okay, air fried chicken wings. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope I told you everything you need to know, because I left some things out. It's been a long day, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to see some more, let us know. Comment below and let us know, you know, if you like the video, if you're gonna make the recipe, let me know, and you know what your favorite air fryer recipe is, if you have one. And have you actually used an air fryer before? Because it's actually quite an amazing invention. I'm just gonna put that out there. You probably should get one if you don't have one already. But thanks for watching. I love y'all. See you in the next video. You want me to make anything else in the air fryer? Let me know. I think that'd be actually kind of fun. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go for me, my dinner, my family. How's it? She said,